Hello everyone, Bill Molyneux of Bill's History and Wargame World and Bill's History World, and we're in Gettysburg at an Army surplus, and we're going to go in and see cash or check only, and we're going to see what they have in here. This is an incredible shop, and we're going to walk around. We're going to try not to look at that. Sabers. Now, a little bit of everything. Incredible. It's almost like a museum. Coming on. A lot of hats, helmets. Look at this. They even have flight hats. Those are really cool. Endless amounts of Army surplus merchandise. And I don't think I've been in an Army surplus store jam-packed like this one, including all the neat World War II products. Some is reproduction and some is real. Some is museum quality. Alright. Well, if you need boots, they have boots. You got the backpacks, combat vests. Now this is just a quick walkthrough. Museum. Incredible place. British jackets. French helmets. That's really cool to see a German paratrooper helmet. Let's see, German paratrooper helmet. Okay. Just really a lot of neat stuff. We have some practice dummy M16s from the Vietnam War era with the pusher ejection button. And just like at Mr. John's Gettysburg miniature shop, there's stuff everywhere along the ceiling too. The place is incredible. Product everywhere. If you're in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, you got to make sure you stop and visit. Just really neat. Well, Uncle Buck, what do you think of the National Soldier Factory here in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania?
This is one of the gems of Gettysburg. It's the only place where you can get a Goober-sized grenade that actually works.
Very good. And you're open, what are your hours again, sir?
Every day except for Tuesday and Wednesday.
Okay, and they're open every day except for Tuesday and Wednesday. And it is chocked full of incredible military surplus items, just like a museum. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe, be kind, and be courteous. And after you visit Mr. John's miniature shop, come on over here by the Diamond, or some people call it the traffic circle. Thank you.